the question often comes up, a dog attacked me. Oh, and I need to also mention, besides the obvious situations where a dog grabs your arm, rips, your child has major facial injuries, or a woman has her leg lacerated and now she's going to have scars for the rest of her time. Besides those obvious situations, people don't realize that even if a dog doesn't actually get to a person, the dog owner in Arizona, as one of our attorneys explained to someone the other day, they called in because they were riding a bicycle and a dog ran out and tried to bite the young man, and he steered his bicycle and crashed and suffered some serious injuries. Now, the dog actually never ended up biting him, but the dog owner, as the attorney explained, was still responsible for the injuries that his dog caused. So even in that situation, if their dog doesn't actually bite the person, they can still, they jump up, knock them down, things like that. They can still be responsible or liable. But the usual situation, of course, involves, massive bites, tears, and disfigurement. And so how does that affect the value? Well, this is one area that maybe if the Equal Rights Amendment, if we had that, it would be the same for men and women. But I can tell you insurance companies value the claims differently for men and women. Why? They think that if you're a guy and you've got a scar like this, you can say, yeah, I'm a macho guy, But if you're a woman and you carry a scar like that, every time you look in the mirror, you're reminded about that dog attack. And others, ask, well, how did that happen? And, whatever. And you can't hide it with makeup or whatever. Or you can't wear a bathing suit without people going, my gosh, what happened to you? And so insurance companies value those claims higher. As one of our attorneys explained the other day on the phone, when someone had suffered a dog attack, and especially for little girls, if their faces are mauled, they might have I think in the situation I recall, the attorney was talking about, their eyebrow was just ripped off. And those are definitely going to result in higher settlements. Adjusters in that case, even though for them everything's dollar and cents, if they look at the photos, and I'm telling you, if they go like that, they're going to pay more money. They're still human beings. I'll give them that occasionally. But anyway, the value of the claim depends normally on the age and gender of the victim, and then the extent of the injuries, and particularly scarring. But if you want to know in your particular case, give us a call. You can send us photos on the phone if it's your loved one or whatever, and we can discuss, and one of our attorneys can discuss that in more detail. So remember, the call to us is free, the information is free. It can actually make a big difference, especially to your loved one. We can get money set aside for college, so they don't have to worry about that in the future. And maybe payments for the rest of their life. We can actually do that often. So call us. The call is free, the information's free, and we really care about helping our clients who have been attacked by dogs, and that may include you.